Today we'll talk about one of the first things we'll do in the ActiveTrail system, importing contacts. The import of contacts is carried out through the simple import of an Excel file. Before the import, let's take a look at the Excel file we'll be importing. The file contains all our customers' data, and it is organized in the following manner. In the top line are the names of the categories, and in the lines beneath it, the customers. And now, let's import our contacts. In the upper toolbar under Contacts, we'll choose Import. We'll choose to import the Excel file from the computer, and we'll go automatically to the field mapping page. On this page, for the ActiveTrail system, we'll determine the field of each column in the file out of a wide range of fields. We can put the cursor on the eye icon in order to see part of the data. In the event that we have a column that doesn't appear in the field pool, we can define it as a custom field. Usually, after setting the fields, we would simply move on to the next step in the process. But this time, I'd like to go over the advanced options on the page. We'll open the Advanced Options box. Let's go over all the sections here. Insert New Contacts. We'll check this box in order to add our new contacts to the system. If we only want to update existing contacts without adding new ones, we'll uncheck the first section and instead, we'll check Update Existing Contacts. In the event that we have information about a contact in the system, and that information is missing in the updated file, we can choose whether to reset the information or to save it. If we want to reset, we'll check Enable Reset of Fields. Of course, there's also the option of importing new contacts and updating the old ones at the same time. To do that, we'll check off the two first sections. If we deleted a certain contact in the past and now we're uploading his data again, we can choose Reactivate Deleted Contacts. This option is recommended after moving to a new system, and not for businesses that upload the same file frequently. Likewise, we can reactivate contacts whose status is marked as Do Not Mail. We can remove all the contacts that have been in our mailing group up till now and replace them with the contacts in our new file. The last section refers to the date format. Are the dates in our file written according to the American format, month, day, year, or according to the European format, day, month, year? To finish up, we'll press Next and go on to the last step of the process. Here we can choose which group we'd like to assign our new contacts to, an existing group or a new one. Let's form a new group. We'll click on Import and declare that indeed all our addresses were obtained legally and with the consent of the contacts. The state of the list can be seen in View Status, or you can click on Import History under Contacts. For long lists, it will take a few minutes to upload, and when the upload is completed, we'll receive an email notification. Let's look at the import history data. We see the name of the file, the group we assigned it to, the upload status, the total number of contacts in the file, how many new contacts were added, how many old contacts were updated in the last upload, and how many existing users in the file are designated in our system as deleted. We can download an Excel file detailing the rows with errors and the reason for the error. Let's open the Excel file and see where the errors were. We can see that in line 13 of the file we uploaded, there was a mistake in the email address and line 8 was empty. We can correct the errors in the original file and upload it again. But this time, we'll select only Update Existing Contacts. Want to know more? You're welcome to visit the Support Center on the ActiveTrail website for more information and additional videos. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to contact our support team. See you in ActiveTrail's next videos.